Hello. In this video, we're going to go ahead and solve some rational equations. So just a reminder, rational equations are equations that have rationals in them. And a rational is where you have a polynomial divided by another polynomial. Here are the steps. The first step is to find the LCD. The LCD, of course, meaning least common denominator. LCD. There we go. Then we're going to multiply every term by that LCD, and then we're going to solve. So here's the thing. We have an example here that says, solve the following equation exactly. 6 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 equals 0. To solve this, we first need to find the LCD. In this case, there's only one denominator. So the LCD here is going to be x plus 1. So that means that we're going to multiply every term in here by this LCD of x plus 1. Notice that I still multiplied the term that doesn't have a fraction by that as well. So just be careful to make sure that every term in there gets multiplied by x plus 1. And the great thing about this is that this LCD cancels with that one. So in the first term, the only thing that's left is 6. That's the numerator. And in the second one, we have to make sure we distribute that negative 3 to both the x and the 1 there, making that negative 3x minus 3. And on the right-hand side, we have 0 times, it really doesn't matter what it's multiplying by, because 0 times anything is always 0. Excellent. And then at this point, you just simplify and solve like you would any other equation. 6 and negative 3 combine. Now be very careful, do not do this. This is wrong. Don't say minus 6 and minus 6 or plus 3 and plus 3. You can't do that because notice where the equation is. The equal sign is right here, so technically you're just adding 6 to one side there. That doesn't really work well because it's flat out wrong. But what you can do is combine the 6 and the negative 3 right now, making that just positive 3. So we have 3 minus 3x is equal to 0. And then just subtract the 3, making this negative 3x equals negative 3. And divide by negative 3, which means x equals 1. And there you go. That is the solution. Well, I believe that is it for this particular example. I will see you in the next one. Have fun.